Hello YouTube. Hope y'all ain't tired of knife sharpening videos, but I want to include all this stuff as I'm doing this project this winter. We're going to reprofile this blade. Can you see where that's shiny and where it's not shiny? This is the Ozark Mountain Trail. I always get it backwards. Ozark Trail. It has a mountain in the thing, that's why I say mountain. This is like the $8 Walmart knife. Well, the big joke was it only hold an edge for a day. Well, yeah. I got this as a gift. My daughter got it for me as a birthday gift. I've probably had this, I know I've had it over a dozen years. I've kept it put away in my desk because it got dull and I put it away. Now I have a better system. We are going to reprofile this. What it is this probably had about a 25 degree. We're going about a 15 to 17. We're not that accurate. We're going what it looks good. And we used our little protractor thing. So when we resharpen this someday, we'll just match it up like we do with the Sharpie marker. But we want you to see this before we do the blade and then after we do it, how it looks different. So that's why we're getting it up here handheld kind of close. Little upgrade. That's made from the end of a screwdriver. Okay. And the piece of Allen wrench is drilled and stuck in there, and then it's just epoxied into the screw. I can't take it out right now. And the same as this. This goes all the way through the, excuse my grungy hands from out here doing this stuff. That stuff gets so, here I want to show you something. See all that stuff you get? This is this is a cover for a Samsung tablet. That little tray where it's good to wash my stones and the water runs down there. So you can see what kind of mess you get. Anyway, we're off topic. Oh well. This is to tighten this screw. So these are just cheap from the Dollar Tree screwdrivers. You just put it in the vise, heat up the metal part with a torch. You know, don't melt your plastic, and just pull it out. You can use these for handles. I have them on files. My regular subscribers know I make file handles out of these cheap screwdrivers. So there you go. We'll get to work. About all you're going to see when I'm done. I'll talk for a couple minutes. I'll show you what the blade shape looks like when I'm done. It was easier to take it apart. You can clean it anyway. It's all filthy dirty. It's just as easy just to put the blade in here without the, this thing is heavy. It is. It looks like a big old, looks like a big old hunting knife, don't it? Kind of a little bit too, it's not legal to carry actually, to tell you the truth. We can go on that another day, but okay, get to work. Hope you don't mind these rambling videos I do in the wintertime. I got my radio going. My batteries are junk. Those batteries I bought never did last. Were hooked to my power supply, using it to run the radio. So those batteries never did last. That's a whole nother subject. But okay, we're off to go to work. Okay, we are done. Ain't that pretty? I cheat. I don't know if I mentioned in another video, but this is 1000 grit sandpaper glued to this stone. This was a 1500 fine stone that came with it. It just kept coming up. I tried using oil and water. It was just a mess. It would not do the job it was supposed to do. So I glued some wet dry sandpaper to it to make a cheapy fine finish honing stone, and then when I got done, I cheated and I moved the thing lengthwise to polish it. I know you're not supposed to do that, but you're not going to have a razor edge doing that. But this is just going to be a collectible knife. When I take it out, it looks good. But it looks pretty good. With the thumb stud in the way, you can't get this very last piece right here. There you go. I took a picture on a piece of yellow paper where it showed the edge before. And I'll take a picture right on here to show this. And I'll take this knob out so you can see how I got the Allen wrench in there in epoxy. So you get to see. I didn't want to do anything until I got done working here on the machine. So thanks for watching.